In this video, we are going to show you how to make ATS-friendly data analyst resume. You see, this is a 3-page resume, and we will convert this regime into 1-page data analyst regime. We will use this example template, and we'll convert this resume into 1-page ATS-friendly data analyst resume. You can add the name in here. You can add the contact information in here. And if you want to embed the link, you can just select the text and right-click and add the link in here. Then professional summary or experience. If you have more than 3 job experience, then you should consider to add summary. Write summary or profile section using the title. Years of experience and input some keywords and skill name, which is very important for the job role. Then core competence and technical skills. This segment, the skills section for data analyst. We select no space option here. Synchronize it more. We can skip this for this job role data analyst. We segment the skill section like data analysis and management, reporting and visualization, which is very important, technical skills, business and decision support, and soft skills. And we highlight all important data analysis skills. In here, we will use font Calibri or Times New. You can adjust it according to your skill set skill section. Try to write the job experience section using action verb or bullet point, like using action verb technical term to describe what you do. Use skill set keywords to describe how you do it, and use result-oriented matrix to describe what is the impact you bring to the company. Okay, we'll add this in here. There is metrics is missing. We're just making the example resume. You can change it according to your preference and job role. Let's write a data list. Okay. Here, experience, company name, other things is okay. Similar way. If you have one rule, it's okay to just have one rule. If you have data analyst intern position, you can add it. If you don't have data analyst intern role, you can skip it. Okay. If you do some project, you can add in here, and if you have license or other certification, you can add that too. For that, we will use write marks. 1 degree is enough actually for that role. If you have multiple degree, you can add that. You should read it through very carefully and try to highlight the core skills and very important keywords. You can highlight it in profile section or your job experience section.